This 2023 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, DVD player, microwave, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, awning, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 FBS is 4,176 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.